everyone, it's me Hunty and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are playing with colored lashes. I know I see a lot of people creating their own colored lashes, but I actually purchased some, so I'm going to show you how I got this look here today. So I began this look by putting my hair in a ponytail. And then I just went ahead and did my makeup. I decided to just do a little bit of sparkly eyeshadow. And I'm not doing too much because I really want the lashes to be the star of the show. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the I'm Royalty Velour Liquid Lipstick from Jeffree Star. I'm gonna dip into it with my spoolie, and then I'm going to I'm gonna dip into it with my spoolie, and then I'm gonna coat my lashes with this purple so that these lashes blend in with my natural lashes. Alright, so we're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my lashes now. Okay, so just for fun, I took another liquid lipstick in a pink shade because these lashes are purple and pink both, so I thought I'd do purple on one eye and pink on the other eye, so that's really fun. Okay, so the lashes that I'm going to be wearing today are from the brand M Lashes, and these are in the style Amethyst. These are a purple pink lash, and I've used this brand before. I used the style Area 51 a few weeks ago. So I'm just going to go ahead and trim these lashes, and then I'll be right back. So what I do when I trim my lashes is I just try the lash on and then make adjustments as needed. And to trim it, I'm just using some little tiny scissors. Okay, so I'm using the Duo Quick Set Lash Glue now, and I'm gonna go ahead and coat the lash. So what I like to do is I like to take the lash and stamp it. Kind of just get the glue on the lash line before I apply it, and then I'll go in and I'll add some more glue. And I learned that tip from It's My Ray Ray. Okay, so I just went and popped a little bit of white NYX eyeliner in my waterline just to make the look pop a little bit more. I'm pretty much done with this look, and I'm loving the way that it came out. These lashes from M Lashes were definitely very easy to use, and I appreciate that. This is what the other box looks like. These are the Area 51 green lashes. I've already used them, and I actually saved the little thin lashes, the clippings, so I could maybe create a potential look in the future. For my lips, I'm wearing M Cosmetics Cream Cashmere Matte Lip Cloud. I believe this is called the Lip Cloud. And then this is the MAC lip liner in the shade Spice. I really love the way that I did my lips today. I focused on the top and the bottom when I was lining it. Okay. So I think that I like the side that I used the purple mascara on a little bit better, but I still love this look. I love the way that it came out. And I hope you found some of my tips helpful today. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this beautiful, colorful look. Leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed this video. I definitely want to start playing with color more in makeup, so follow me on all my social medias to see all of the looks that I create. And all the products that I use today will be linked in the description box below. And take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Hunties.